Protests and politics over Kolkata rape and murder case. President Draupadi Murmu has spoken out for the first time, expressing her anguish at continuing crimes against women.
She said enough is enough. Dismayed and horrified by the brutality, she said that it is time for India to wake up to the perversion of crimes against women.
The president also lamented collective amnesia that has plagued Indian society in the years since 2012, the Nirbhaya case, highlighting that countless rapes have been forgotten over time.
The BJP has now cited the president's remarks on the crimes against women to say that this reflects the gravity of the issue and that it's time to rise above party politics and ensure that justice is done in such cases. However, the politics seems to be unending.
Opposition parties, putting the president herself in the dock, ask why did she not speak about similar incidents in BJP-ruled states.
लॉ एंड ऑर्डर राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री की जिम्मेवारी बनती है। समझते हैं कि माननीय ममता बनर्जी जी को इतनी समझ तो होनी ही चाहिए कि देश के प्रथम नागरिक के द्वारा ये अगर टिप्पणी की गई, यह राजनीति में अपमानजनक और लज्जाजनक है और जिम्मेवारी का बोध पश्चिम बंगाल के मुख्यमंत्री को नहीं है, ये संसदीय लोकतंत्र के लिए घातक है।
राष्ट्रपति महोदय अभी क्यों बोल रहा है? बंगाल में हुआ इसलिए अभी क्यों बोल रहा है? उन्नाव, हाथरस, प्रयागराज, बिलकिस, मध्य प्रदेश, मणिपुर में कहां थे आप? साक्षी मालिक, रेसलर, वीमेन रेसलर, गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट, उनका एलिगेशन था भाजपा एमपी ब्रिजभूषण के खिलाफ। कहां थे राष्ट्रपति महोदय? कहां थे तब? क्यों चुप थे आप? अभी बंगाल में हुआ है, ये एक सोशल क्राइम है, बंगाल में हुआ है, इसलिए आपका ज्यादा चिंता हो रहा है। भाजपा लीडर जैसे स्टेटमेंट मत कीजिए, ये आपसे हमारा रिक्वेस्ट है।
So there's anger against what has happened in West Bengal, demanding justice for the rape victim. The president has now broken her silence on the same, saying it's unacceptable, saying enough is enough. But politics has now broken out over the same. The BJP saying the president has also spoken about the deteriorating law and order situation in West Bengal. The TMC now asking, why is it that the president did not speak about similar incidents in the BJP-ruled states?
We have Shreya joining us in the broadcast. Shreya, in fact, the president also highlighted how several incidents of rape, crime against women have been reported, but looks like the society suffers from amnesia and that we've forgotten about it. But TMC believes she is only targeting a state government.
Well, of course, we say TMC's Kunal Ghosh comes to attract precedent, says that she is acting like a BJP leader, like a BJP spokesperson. Kunal Ghosh says that you should not forget that you are the president, you are sitting in the president's chair and you are not a BJP leader. In fact, remember, Kunal Ghosh says and asked president, where were you when other incidents like that of Manipur, Unnao, Hathras was happening? You did not issue a statement, but because RJ is in Bengal, so you are remembering now to issue a statement. So, of course, Kunal Ghosh gives, a supply to what has transpired in Bengal. He, in fact, says that the case is with the CBI, with that of the Supreme Court. So, there is no point in blaming Mamta Sarkar.
Okay, all right. Shreya, thank you for joining us with those details. Well, viewers, the state of West Bengal witnessed high drama yesterday as the BJP had called for a 12-hour statewide bandh, demanding action and justice following the horrific rape and murder of a doctor at the RJ Kar Medical College.
Remember, this bandh follows the dramatic events that took place on Tuesday when a student's body hit the streets in protest, which saw a massive clampdown by the Bengal police.
Now, as the Bengal bandh began early yesterday morning, multiple trains and metro stations were also blocked. Some bus drivers were also seen wearing helmets, fearing the violence amid the bandh. Sporadic violence was also witnessed in some parts of the state where the BJP and the TMC workers clashed with each other.
Amid the bandh, multiple BJP leaders hit the streets in different parts of the state. From Bengal leader of opposition Suvendu Adhikari to Union Minister Sukanta Majumdar, BJP leaders took to streets across Bengal demanding justice. Multiple BJP leaders were detained shortly after by the Bengal police.
Now, this also included Loket Chatterjee, Rupa Ganguly, as well as Sajal Ghosh. Take a look at the reactions that came in after they were detained.
This this point in time, you can see that altercation between these protesters, between BJP Karyakartas and the police. You can see how one by one all the protesters, all the BJP Karyakartas here have been detained. Remember, this is the Shambazar More where we are standing at this point in time, and we have seen that a BJP rally was taken out by BJP leader Loket Chatterjee. And at this point in time, as the rally have started, look at how the BJP protesters are being detained. And on the other side, we also have Loket Chatterjee here. And what do you want to say? The protesters are being detained.
देखिए, आज पूरा जनता का समर्थन आप देख रहे हैं, पूरा आप पुलिस को देख रहे हैं कि अभी एक एक करके उठा रहे हैं, लेकिन आप पूरा देखिए आज बस भी कम है, आज 10:30 है, श्यामबाजार 5 माथा मोड़, लेकिन जनता भी नहीं है। जनता दिल से बंद को समर्थन कर रहे हैं। पॉलिटिकल नॉन पॉलिटिकल जो भी हो, हम लोग चाहते हैं, सब लोग चाहते हैं कि विचार चाहिए। कल विचार के लिए छात्र समाज जो रास्ते के ऊपर आया, 8 से 80 एज का लोग भी वहाँ पे शामिल हुआ था। उसके ऊपर जो लाठीचार्ज, जो टीयर गैस, जो भी जलकमन जो दिया गया है, वो बहुत ही खराब है, नारकीय है। उसके लिए विचार के लिए हम लोग रास्ते के ऊपर आए हैं।
So you can see at this point in time, it is BJP leader Loket Chatterjee who have hit the ground. And then look how the altercation is breaking out between these BJP leaders and the protesters. The protesters are being detained at this point in time.
তৃণমূলের গুন্ডা বাহিনী কি করছে এখানে? আমাদের তৃণমূলের গুন্ডা বাহিনীকে দিয়ে লেলিয়ে দেওয়া হয়েছে। পুলিশ নিজে না করে তৃণমূলের গুন্ডা বাহিনীকে শ্যামবাজারে লেলিয়েছে। আমরা শান্তিপূর্ণ মিছিল করছিলাম, তৃণমূলের গুন্ডা বাহিনী দিয়ে আক্রমণ করা হচ্ছে।
At this point in time, you can see that the BJP leaders are saying that TMC's miscreant is stopping the